Episode 18 of the Ace of Cups radio show is going down this Saturday, September 23rd at 9 p.m. Eastern. For this next episode, I'm going to dig deep down into the Pluto and Libra generation, since it's Libra season. I am a part of the Pluto and Libra generation, so I have first-hand experience with this Plutonian placement. Us Pluto and Libra folks got some serious relationship issues, and it's time we get our acts together. Of course, I'm going to discuss the charts of some famous Pluto and Libra individuals. So if you were born between 1971 and 1984, this show is especially for you. This episode is going to be nasty, funky, and raunchy, because that's how Pluto likes it. Call in during the second hour to join in on the conversation and for a free mini reading. Peace, many blessings, and I hope you join me.